Each year, Elevate reminds me why we do what we do. It's not just a conference. It's a celebration of the relationships, the mission, and the momentum we share across this incredible community. I get to listen, to learn, to hear your stories, and to see firsthand the passion and the purpose driving your schools forward. So this week, let's explore new horizons together, and let's keep elevating education side by side. Thank you.
This is my third Elevate, and every time I come, I learn so much.
This has been so rewarding, and it's worth every dime.
I was overwhelmed with how well we were treated.
Elevate so far has been amazing. It has exceeded my expectations.
If you have FACS as your SIS, there's really no reason not to come.
I think you could get something out of any session you attend.
In 3 hours, I've learned how to better use the tools that I already have.
So yesterday, I went to one session, and walking out of that session, I felt like the entire expense of it all was worth that one session.
The day starts out like pumping you up with great music and great keynote speakers.
Olympic medalist, Nancy Kerrigan.
I figure skated as a kid. Seeing her was something I've always wanted to see. I got to talk with her a little bit when she was signing the books.
Now I'm thrilled to turn things over to Jeremy Penner.
The opening session with Scott and Jeremy, they engage, they care about what we do, we care about what they do.
My job is to make sure that we are building the right things at the right time. Let's keep exploring new horizons at Elevate 2025.
FACS does a great job of choosing speakers who can relate to everyone.
Every single session I've gone to, I've had a gap in my knowledge filled.
FACS has been life-changing for us. We actually have seen an uptick in our parents paying attention. We've seen our children be more involved.
Using as many FACS products as possible has made things so much easier. I can't even imagine using a different system.
When you're around other educators, they can really help you see how to use the system in a different and better way.
I just love meeting the people. It's like, hey, you use the same system as I do.
I just sat with a gentleman from Michigan that was just fantastic and would have never met him if I hadn't come to the conference.
If one of my coworkers were to ask me if they should go to Elevate, I would say absolutely get a group together and go.
We knew we had to reshape our organization to keep pace. The metrics definitely mattered. But what everyone remembered was the heart, the people, the mission, the purpose, the stories of the schools we serve, the families we support. Data guides decisions, but heart drives impact. Let's bring the heart of FACS into the future.